The Nothing Ear A wireless earbuds has recently been launched in Malaysia, and in this video, I want to share with you my experience using this, the yellow version, and of course, what I think about it. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. So this actually comes in 3 colors, okay? Yellow, white and black. But of course, I wanted the hero color, hence the yellow one is in my hands. Now let's start the video by talking about the design. So when you look at the design of the case itself, it resembles everything that Nothing launched, okay? Transparent and looks very, very modern. But for the Nothing Ear A, we realized that the case is like a bubble-shaped case because according to the designer, it is actually in design of pills, because pills usually comes in cases that looks like a bubble, and the more important things are contained inside the bubble itself. The case now is very curved on all sides and edges, hence it is very comfortable to hold in the hands. Now, apart from design, one thing I want to talk about, okay, is the noise cancellation for this thing. Now, since the very first time I put the earbuds into my ear, and I realized that, wow, the noise cancellation is really strong, okay? So after doing some research, I realized that it is actually the highest noise cancellation that Nothing has ever put in their earbuds, okay? Up to 45 dB. Now, of course, if you don't want so much noise cancellation, don't worry, because inside the Nothing X app, okay, you can also enable adaptive ANC so that it actually knows your surrounding and it will automatically set the level of noise cancellation for you. And there's also this bass enhanced algorithm and also a feature that you can enable from the Nothing X app, okay, if you are someone who loves bass. I love bass, okay? So with this feature turned on, I feel that I enjoy listening to music a lot more. Coupled with the noise cancellation, this is actually one of the best earbuds, wireless earbuds that I've tried recently, okay? And paired with the design, I feel that it is truly something great that Nothing has created. And with just one charge, okay, this thing can actually last for about 9 to 10 hours of non-stop music playing, which is amazing. And also, there's one more thing. According to the website, which I have not tried, if you don't use noise cancellation at all, okay, it can probably push the battery all the way up to 42.5 hours. I'm not sure if that's true or not, you can try. Now, inside the Nothing X app, okay, there are also some features that you can enable, for example, low lag mode. So low lag mode actually ensures that the lag is very, very little when you are playing game, okay? And of course, this thing can also be enabled the moment game mode is activated. Another feature is Find My Earbuds. So when you tap on that feature in the app, it will actually make a sound so you can identify where your earbuds is located if you forgot where you put it. For charging wise, they've also improvised, okay? So now there's fast charge. 10 minutes of charging actually can allow 10 hours of music playing without ANC turned on. So based on my experience listening to music using this thing, okay, I really like what I'm listening, and kudos to Nothing for being able to create a wireless earbuds so stylish, priced affordably, and has so many nice features, okay? Speaking of price, this thing actually costs 479 ringgit only, okay? So if you are interested, you can also click on the link below this video to find out more. So that is all, a short video sharing my experience using the Nothing Ear A, okay? In yellow, which is like my favorite color. If you love gadget videos like this, don't forget to share this video, subscribe to this channel, and follow me on all social platforms. My name is smashpop, and I'll see you in the next video. Yo.